Think about the diagonal path on your phone screen, or a ladder leaning against a wall. There's an ancient rule governing these simple shapes. It's Pythagoras' theorem, and it's one of the most powerful tools in mathematics. The rule only applies to a special shape, the right-angled triangle. It perfectly connects the two shorter sides that form the 90-degree angle, let's call them A and B, to the longest side opposite it, the hypotenuse, called C. The famous formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, how do we use it? Imagine a 5-meter ladder leaned against a wall. Its base is 3 meters away from the wall. How high does it reach? Here, the ladder itself is the longest side, the hypotenuse, c. To find a shorter side, we subtract. 5 squared minus 3 squared is 25 minus 9, which equals 16. The square root of 16 is 4. The ladder reaches 4 meters high, a perfect 3, 4, 5 triangle. This brings up a pro tip, Pythagorean triples. These are sets of whole numbers like 3, 4, 5 or 5, 12, 13 that fit the theorem perfectly. Memorizing a few can save you a ton of time. What if you need to find the longest side? Say a laptop screen is 30 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters high. The diagonal is the hypotenuse, so we add. 30 squared plus 20 squared is 900 plus 400, which equals 1300. The square root of 1300 is about 36.1 centimeters. This is exactly how electronic screen sizes are measured. From the distance formula used in GPS to the bracing in buildings, Pythagoras' rule is everywhere. It's not just a formula from a textbook, it's an invisible blueprint that structures our physical world.